half. Let's see, this will be so half, 2, this is 1. Okay, so this, 2, 3. Hello! Happy Halloween! Welcome to a la carte cooking happy hour, and it is Halloween. We are making a smoky eyes cocktail. So for the eyes, we're doing something I've never done before. We're using lychee. Have you guys used lychee before? I haven't used these in a cocktail, and I've not made this cocktail before, so I'm hoping it turns out okay. But we're gonna use lychee, and we're gonna stuff the eyeballs with blueberries. So let's do that now. If you guys are new to the channel, we do a happy hour every Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Ooh, these lychee look good. Right here on this channel. So hit that like, hit the subscribe, share the channel. If you guys have cocktail parties, this is a fun channel to watch for that because we do something new every Sunday. Sometimes we do a little twist on things. Sometimes we've made the cocktail in advance, and sometimes, like today, we didn't. So we're rolling with it. Okay, let's stuff eyeballs. We're gonna do this first. So here's our lychee. These are our eyeballs. They're empty, and we're gonna take the blueberry. Now these were frozen so that they stay nice and chilled. Oh, and these look bloody, look at that. These are kind of big. Oh, is this gonna work? Yep, it's gonna work. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Okay, here's one eyeball. These are gonna float around in there. Oh, these are big blueberries. Maybe we should have picked smaller blueberries. Okay, let's pop this hole open. Stuff that, ooh, it squirted. Stuff that in there. I mean, I suppose an eyeball would squirt if you pushed on it. We're gonna do 4 of them into our glass. That wasn't so gingerly putting it in. I kind of just dropped that in there. Okay, we're gonna stuff this one in there. There's the blueberry in there, okay. Eyeball number 3, and 1 more eyeball. Blueberry going in. Oh, I was a little too aggressive with that one. It kind of split the eyeball. Okay, there's that. 4 eyeballs. Now for our mixture. We are doing a smoked eyeball beverage, and it's going to have vodka in it today. So let's get our mixing going. We're gonna use lemon, 1/2 ounce of lemon. So I'm kind of just gonna eyeball this. Ah, no pun intended. Okay, so I'm gonna use the juice. This is about 1/4 of a lemon. So I'm gonna say that's a 1/2 ounce. We're gonna go with that. 1/2 ounce into our garbage bowl. Thank you, Rachel Ray, for the idea of the garbage bowl. There we go. Okay, so I lined everything up. 1/2 ounce of lemon, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We use the Demerara sugar. That's why it has that nice golden color. If you use regular sugar, it's going to be a clear simple syrup. Triple sec or cointreu. We have triple sec today. 1/2 ounce of triple sec. Here we go. And I lined everything up so we work our way larger. We're doing our cranberry juice, 1 ounce. Woo! That poured quickly. 1 ounce of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of vodka. There we go. I'm gonna move this over here just in case. Ooh! Oh! I almost poured that. Don't do that. Clearly, we are amateurs on this channel. Although we do this every Sunday. Who knows? Here's 1, and here is 2. Okay. And then, ooh, that smells good. And then our orange juice. I like the heavy pulp. You can get the low pulp, whichever floats your boat. and 3. Okay, we are going to shake this. So we have our ice. Shake this here. Okay, pop our lid on. Smoking eyeballs. Give this a shake. Does anybody know a Halloween song to sing while you're shaking? I think of like the Munsters song. Okay, we're going to strain this into our glass, and then it's going to go into the smoker before we add the ice. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so I have a guest today on the channel for Halloween. Just gonna, oh my God. Just gonna go ahead and put this in here for you. Just like that, and I'm gonna give you some space to do your magic over here. Perfect, there we go. So this is our smoking box. Oh, okay. We had a moment for the smoking box. I do love the smoking box. If you have not tried this before, this is needs a moment. Oh, okay, it worked. So if you saw our episode last week, we also did a smoking cocktail in anticipation of Halloween. Oh, look at that. And our goblin brought a different torch this time. And I kind of think this one works better. Because did you see all that smoke that just went in there? Oh. Uh-oh. Our goblin's having some pyrotechnic issues. Oh, he comes prepared. He brings a second torch. Oh my goodness. Big lighter to the rescue. Oh my God. Does that, I guess that means we might be done smoking it. We're gonna try one more time. Oh no. All right. I guess that's all the smoke we have for today. Oh, maybe a little bit more. But you can see it does fill up the box pretty quick. And we're gonna top it with a little bit of ice. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. That looks lovely. Okay, we're gonna give that just a moment. Now to top the cocktail, thank you. Oh, I guess he's gonna take over. Oh! All right, thank you so much. We bid you adieu. Okay. He's scary. So to top the cocktail, what I was saying before is we're going to take the ice, we're going to top it in here. So let me get our ice ready. And pull out our cocktail. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, I'm gonna totally cheat before we finish this. Look at that, can you see that smoke coming out of there? Oh, that's amazing. Holy cow, that is exceptional. 100% first time we made this. Knocked it out of the park. The applewood smoke really complements everything going on in here really well. Okay, this isn't even finished. We have to top this. You can top this with ginger beer if you'd like. We're going to top it with tonic. You can use soda water. If you don't want to change any of the aromas. Oh, does that look good? And then you have eyeballs just kind of floating around in there. So crazy. And then we're gonna top this with a little bit of tonic. So you have a little bit of bubbles. Oh, okay. It's good. No explosion. And swirl. Our eyeballs have sunk. It's kind of floating around the side. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. When I added the ice and the tonic, it broke the surface level of the layer of the beverage and just brought out this aromatic. Holy cow, that's good. From the smoking wood. This is delicious. We need to eat an eyeball. I'm totally sticking my finger into this beverage. Oh, look at this eyeball. If you're having a cocktail party, if you're having a Halloween party, you need to make lychee eyeballs in the beverage. Make them stick their finger in it without looking in it. That'll freak them out. That's really good. Absolutely. That's good. Thank you everybody for joining. Happy Halloween. We will see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Enjoy your party. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, and we will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Halloween. That is so good.